Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. Today I'm going to be updating a old recipe. It's called Paneer Chili and this is an Indo Chinese version Paneer Chili. We eat it as a snack or serve it as a side dish. The ingredients required for this is paneer. This is roughly about 250 grams of paneer that I have chopped it into cubes and reserved. We need dried red chilies. The heat level in this recipe you can adjust according to your taste. I've chopped and reserved onion and capsicum into cubes, larger pieces. It need not be finely chopped, it has to be in larger pieces. Finely chopped garlic and slit green chilies. The garlic has to be finely chopped. Apart from that, we will also require ginger and garlic, which I will grind into a smooth paste and add it to the masala. We would require white pepper powder, Chinese spice or Schezwan masala, soya sauce, chili sauce, tomato ketchup and little bit of vinegar. I'll be adding vinegar at the very end. Now I'm going to start frying the paneer first. In a wok I'll add ghee, and oil. I'll fry the paneer in the same ghee and oil, and I'll also prepare the masala in the same oil. So it's roughly about 3.5 tablespoons of fat that I'm using. Now I'm going to start shallow frying the paneer in this oil once it's hot. We need not fry it too much, just slightly fry it so that the paneer retains its shape, and it should not melt while preparing the masala, it should not break in that masala. The recipe in detail and all the ingredients used in this recipe along with measurements will be listed in the description box below this video, or you can click the iCard above this video which will direct you to my blog. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or it will be posted in the iCard above this video. All the recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video, friends. Now once the paneer turns light brown in color, I'm just draining it from the oil and I'm going to reserve it on a plate. Fry the paneer in batches, friends. Don't overcrowd the paneer and fry it. It will clump up and it will not fry and it will break in the kadai itself. I'm going to follow the same steps and fry the second batch of paneer in the same manner, and I'll reserve it. Now once my paneer is fried, there is enough fat to prepare the masala. So I'm using the same oil and kadai. I'm going to start frying the finely chopped garlic. I'll fry this garlic till it turns light brown in color. Now I'll add the ingredients one by one. You can break this dried red chilies and add it, or you can add it whole. I like the flavor of it, so that's why I'm adding it whole. But if you want extra heat, you can break it and add it. Now I'm going to start adding the onion. The ginger and garlic paste is already ready. I've ground it into a smooth paste and reserved. We'll fry the onion till it turns transparent, that's all. And then we'll add all the ingredients one at a time. The recipe in detail is posted on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Also like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All the links to my social media will be in the description box below this video. The same recipe is also posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. I have added the ginger and garlic paste and I'm frying it till the raw flavor reduces. I'll be adding the capsicum, bell pepper. We can retain the crunch in the bell pepper. We need not cook it too much. I've added the chilies. Now at this point I'll add coarse salt. Add very less salt, friends, because the soya sauce and tomato ketchup chili sauce contains a lot of salt in it. It will become too salty. Just add a quarter teaspoon of salt. That's more than enough. Now I'll add the paneer. The paneer I used was extra Malai paneer. So it was very soft, very delicate. And it was very creamy and rich also in taste. So the extra Malai paneer from Milky Mist is very nice. Recently I happened to use this paneer for a lot of recipes and I really like the brand. So I've added white pepper powder, the Chinese spice, tomato ketchup, soya sauce and the chili sauce. I'll also add vinegar, just quarter teaspoon of vinegar. I'll give this paneer a good toss and that's about it. The paneer chili is ready. It's very simple to prepare. There's no fuss, no mess. You can serve it as a starter or you can serve it for noodles, fried rice. It's a very nice side dish. We also like it with roti. So do give this recipe a try, friends. Now once all the ingredients are mixed in the paneer, I'm going to go ahead and serve it. But before serving, I'll just sprinkle a little bit of finely chopped spring onions and coriander. We can also add lime juice if you don't have vinegar and serve it. Turned out really good. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to the recipe will be posted in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.